Good morning, students. Today we are here to start our English reader lesson number 3. Thank you, Uncle. So, this is a story in which two children are left home with their uncle and how they spend their time with uncle. Let's read the story. So, let us start. Uncle Anand has come to stay with Minnie and Vijay as their parents are out of town. Every year, Uncle takes them out on a surprise trip. What happens this year? Read and find out. So, already I have told you that Uncle Nand is there with children. The name of the children are Minnie and Vijay. And why they are alone at home? Because their parents are out of town. And let's see now what excitement they have regarding Uncle Anand. Minnie and Vijay were excited. Excited means happy. Their parents had gone out of town and Uncle Anand, their father's brother, had come over to look after them. So why Minnie and Vijay were excited? They were excited because their uncle had come to look after them. And who was this uncle? This uncle was their father's brother. Okay, so Uncle Anand was their father's brother who had come to stay with Minnie and Vijay as their parents were out of town. Uncle Anand was great fun. He always thought of adventurous things to do. Underline adventurous. So, children were excited because Uncle Anand used to do some exciting things, some adventurous thing. The last time that he had stayed with them, he had taken them to see the shooting of a film that his friend was making. For days after that, Minnie went around pretending to shoot a film. Underline pretending. Her friends had to hold things like lights and cameras while Minnie held the paper cone to her mouth and shouted out directions. Underline directions. So here in this para, it is told that last time when Uncle Anand came, what adventure they had? The adventure that they had was shooting off a film, which Uncle Anand's friend was making. So they had gone to see the shooting of a film, and after that, the children were pretending. Pretending means to act like. So they were pretending, playing games like shooting a film. So Minnie's friends had to hold the things like light and cameras, and Minnie used to play the role of a director by holding a paper cone to her mouth and speaking the directions. Directions means giving the orders. Have you packed everything? Asked Uncle Anand as the two children set off to catch the school bus. Now it was time to go to school, so they had to catch the school bus. Yes, said the children. Oh, tell us what the surprise is. Tell us now, please, begged the children. Underline surprise. So here the children, they want to know, they are very curious to know that what they will do this time with Uncle Anand. So they were asking for the surprise. No, it is time for the bus. You will miss it if you don't go right now. So the children started walking towards the bus stop. I wonder what Uncle is planning, said Minnie. I bet he'll take us to watch that football match, said Vijay. So both the children are now guessing that what this time Uncle Anand will do something exciting. So they are just guessing, and Vijay said that he thinks that he will take them to watch a football match. Who wants to watch a football match? Maybe he will take us to the bird park. Bird park. I like to see crocodiles, said Vijay. Minnie said, I think uncle will take us to the bird park. But Vijay said, he like to see crocodiles. So underline crocodiles. And we all know crocodiles cannot be seen in the bird park. In bird park, there are only birds. By this time, they had reached the bus stop, but they could not see any of their friends. Only Murli's mother was there. Now, when they were talking with each other, they saw that they had reached the bus stop, but there was no one except Murli's mother. Oh, you missed the bus. It just left, she said. So Murli's mother told them that bus had already gone. What will we do now? Vijay started to cry. Underline Vijay and underline started. Don't cry, Vijay. We can ask Uncle Anand to take us to school, said Minnie. Both the children ran back home. So Minnie said to Vijay not to cry and let us tell Uncle Anand to take us to school. We missed the bus, they told Uncle Anand. Well, you can take a holiday and we can go and see the vintage cars at India Gate, said Uncle Anand with a twinkle in his eye. But when they told Uncle Anand that they had missed the bus, then Uncle Anand, with the surprise, he said to the children that today they can miss the school and they can go to see vintage cars. What are vintage cars? Vintage cars are the classic old cars which are displayed at the India Gate. So he offered them to go there. Oh no, we have a football match with class 4C. I can't miss that, wailed Vijay. Wailed means cried. So Vijay said to Uncle Anand that no, he cannot go as he had a match that day. I have to go to school. I have a test, said Minnie. And Minnie also said that she also can't miss the school as she had to take the test. All right, don't get upset. Upset means sad. Tell me the way, I will drop you in the car, said Uncle Anand. Do you know the way to your school? So Uncle Anand said, okay, it's fine, don't be sad. I will take you to your school. You have to tell me the way. Yes, yes. We can take the same route. Yes, yes, we take the same route every day. Both the children cried. So the children got into the car with Uncle Anand. So both the children said, yes, we know the way. Every day bus go from the same route. So we remember the route. Minnie, go straight down Ring Road. Underline straight. Vijay, yes, now there is a big hoarding, underline hoarding, for the new gymnasium. Uncle, you have to turn left now. Now Minnie and Vijay, they are telling the way to Uncle Anand. First Minnie said to go straight down the Ring Road. Then Vijay said that there will be a big hoarding for the new gymnasium. You have to turn left from there. Uncle Anand, but I thought your school was on the right somewhere here. Vijay, no, we have to go this way. Uncle Anand, okay, if you say so. But Uncle Anand was having doubt regarding the route to the school. He said that he thought that the school was on the right somewhere. But Vijay said, no, we always go in this way only. So he said, okay. Vijay, now go under that bridge. Meaning, yes, into that lane where Usha lives. So lane means the road where Usha lives. So Vijay said, now you have to go under the bridge, then the lane will come, Usha house will come. Then Uncle Anand said, are you sure? I somehow feel we are going away from the school. But Uncle Anand said, I am not sure that whatever the way route you are telling, that is right. Because he said that he thinks that he is going far away from the school. Vijay, no, uncle, I am sure this is the way. Minnie, see, that is where Monu lives. We have to go around the park and straight towards the metro station. Means that, see, now Monu's home has come. We go always this way only. Monu's house has come. Now we have to go around this park and then straight we have to go towards the metro station. Vijay, now take a U-turn past the metro station. Now after reaching the metro station, again they have to take the U-turn. Meaning, now go down this road and then turn left. Now again after taking the U-turn, they have to go straight to that road and then again turn left. Uncle Anand, but we have come back to the place where we turned left. But Uncle Anand said, see, we have reached to the same place from where we started. And he said, yes, see, there is a school gate. So he said, yes, see, school has come. Uncle Anand, that is what I said earlier. Underline earlier, we could have turned right there. He said, that only I was saying, that we are going on the wrong way. The school was there only. We could have turned right from that side only. Then why did you make me go round and round? But that is the route our bus takes. We only know that way. I hope you all have enjoyed this story and had fun. So now your homework is do difficult words and word meanings given in the book. Till then, take care. Bye bye.